All right, guys, got a quick SOLIDWORKS tip for you. What I want to do is create a radius cut around the inside of this. And usually what I would do is select an edge, select a vertex, go and hit reference plane, and then create a sketch on that plane. However, there's a faster way to do this. If I just go ahead and select an edge only, usually when I'm creating sketches on faces because it's a planar thing. I want to put a sketch on that plane. However, there's a nice shortcut. If you have an edge selected, you can just go ahead and click on sketch, and it will create a plane on the endpoint of that. Um, I could just add my circle here. We'll just fully define our sketch. Add a nice radius for me. And I'll go ahead and get out my sketch so that I can get to my swept cut. And you'll notice I can't select the edges around here. Well, I could select one, but what I can do is I could use my selection manager. It'll pop up, multi-select, and then we could click on an edge and do our tangent propagation. Click OK, and there we go. All right, so hopefully that helps you guys. Select an edge and click on sketch, and you'll get a plane automatically on the endpoint of that edge. All right, have a great day, guys.